Okay, we have Toyota Auris 1.6 liter benzene engine, and we have a charging problem. You can hear the charger making that noise, so it's not charging. Charging system and battery. This has been driven 121,000 kilometers, so it's an original charger. Take off the battery cables. Maybe we should change that belt also, because there. This one bolt here. Take these off. You need to loosen that bolt over there, that one, and this, and that. Okay, there we go. I think this is similar than at the Ford charger. This goes bad. Okay, there's no markings at this belt, but it's very worn. We should take a new one. Okay, now we need to go and get the new charger. I don't know, there's no markings here how much amps this is, but you can feel it. It has a clutch system or something like that, but this is usually broken. Let's charge the battery while we get the new alternator. Now we have the new alternator and the belt. This cost 207 euros. Original price for this is about 260. Okay, let's put on the new belt and then the alternator. Okay, check that the belt is on good. There. Everything is good. Now we just tighten this bolt a little bit and then we'll adjust it from here so that it's tight, and then we can lock that bolt and that bolt. Then there's this. We need to get this wiring here. And the wiring there. Now we can attach the battery. We'll have to warm up the battery a bit and the engine, and we'll see what happens. Okay, let it warm up a bit and we'll try then. Everything is on and good. No faults yet. Running smoothly. No squeaking. No faults, no battery light, no faults. Everything is good. That's good. That's fixed. Good. Very cold here.